Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to thank you for coming to my percentage. It's good to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hidayah Safitri and I am from 6th student from Public Administration Class A. Okay friends, in my presentation this time we will discuss about health diplomacy as an instrument of Indonesian foreign policy in the era of COVID-19 pandemic. Foreign policy. Foreign policy is a reaction to stimuli that come from the domestic and external environment. Foreign policy is an activity carried out by state actors who undertake action based on decisions to achieve identified goals. Indonesian foreign policy has become dynamic, especially the COVID-19 pandemic era in 2019. When COVID-19 hit the world, countries change the direction of their foreign policy for the sake of national interest and protecting their citizens. For example, in 2021, the Indonesian Minister of Foreign Affairs announced that Indonesia had five foreign policy priorities, and that one of the five priorities was national health, resilience in healthcare to ensure protection for the people of the Indonesian state during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is supported by President Joko Widodo's statement at the United Nations in 2020 that health is the most important aspect, especially access the vaccine to end the COVID-19. Indonesian foreign policy in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic. First, one notable example is Indonesia foreign policy through health diplomacy. Health diplomacy is a target for the Indonesian government as to seek to ensure access for all to health in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is hoped that Indonesia foreign policy will not only be limited to collaborating and being actively involved in health forums. Second, one concrete form of health diplomacy carried out by Indonesia in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic was actively involvement in multilateral forums focused on strengthening cooperation around COVID-19. Indonesia carries out many activities in international forums in order to achieve its national interests. This is evidenced by the 67 million vaccine in Indonesia has secured from bilateral and multilateral relations. Third, Indonesia's cooperation can be seen in Indonesia's involvement in various international forums such as the International Coordination Group on COVID-19 or ICGC. This forum collectively aims to distribute vaccine for post-pandemic global economic and healthy recovery. The success of Indonesia health diplomacy. First, bilaterally, Indonesia in increasing cooperation with several countries in health, especially in COVID-19 medical treatment. In 2020, Japan provided assistance to Indonesia amounting to 14.5 million United States dollar or equivalent to 224 billion rupiah to support Indonesia's COVID-19 response. Japan provided assistance to Indonesia for technical needs for medical personnel in Indonesia. Second, Indonesia and South Korea also carried out diplomacy in response to COVID-19. In 2020, South Korea provided assistance and support for Indonesia comprising 500,000 United States dollars, provided 300 units of disinfectant sprayer, and provided assistance for 30,000 PCR test kits. This was done by South Korea on the basis that Indonesia is one of the countries in ASEAN that it wants to enhance strategic cooperation and because Indonesia is the main partner in the new Southern policy for South Korea. And real evidence of the success of Indonesia's health diplomacy is not only fighting for the national interest of the country, but also contributing to justice in world welfare in order to increase international solidarity in global health during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thus, the success of Indonesia's diplomacy is not only collaborating and partnering with various countries in the world, but by giving voice and sharing commitment and common problem that challenge sovereignty and global order. Thank you for viewing my presentation. Sorry if there are errors. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.